Look at that, huh? Guess where I found this thing? Found this at Home Depot. So we're going to fly this a little bit. See how it flies. Again, everybody calls them cheap drones. No, they're budget drones. Let's see what it looks like. Doesn't look too bad. Got like a rubber feeling. It's not something I think that'll just break. It's like a rubber. Pretty wild. Only comes with one battery. Probably about 4 or 5 minute flight. But yeah, it was pretty cool. Little camera. Not too bad. Haven't got the legs on it. Comes with legs. 4 legs. And they did give you 4 extra propellers, which is very nice. You don't see that too often. These are brushed motors. This is not a brushless drone. It's brushless. It's not, I mean, it's brushed, not brushless. But it's a brush motor. Yeah, let's take this thing out for a ride. Battery's charging right now. Oh yeah, that was pretty cool. In order to put the battery in, you push the camera and it opens up. Check that out. I hope this baby flies well, because it's got a lot of positives with it, you know? Especially the body. I mean, you'd really have to whack this thing to break it. But I'm wondering how powerful these motors are. But anyway, we'll take this thing out for a ride. It was cool talking to you. You can see it's got some pretty lights. We'll turn the remote on. Up, down to bind. It says both sticks to the right for calibrating. And pull, I think, is pull them both to the other. One to the right, one to the left. Well, let's see if she flies. Not bad. Look at those little lights. Flies pretty awesome. We have a light wind. I'll say about maybe 3 miles an hour. But yeah, look how quiet she is too. I think Steve's up here. But yeah, that's pretty wild. Right, left and right. Let's check the yaw. Drifts, but that's okay. Look how fast that yaw was. It's only 35 miles. Too bad it only had one battery. Not bad. It's a little hard to see because it's nighttime. This don't have the greatest lights, so can't send it out really that far. But yeah. Look at this, 35 bucks, guys. Come on. Home Depot special. Look at this fly. Pretty cool. Yeah, and they call them cheap, huh? Let's see if Nav2 do what I just did, but no problem. That thing would be so fast and so big. That's what these budget drones are made for. You know, small areas. They're not cheap. They're just made for different things. I mean, want to fly professional? Yeah, you need something bigger. You need something more expensive. But if you're just going to mess around, don't spend $300-400. I mean, come on. I only spent 35 bucks and I got me a drone at Home Depot. Check it out. Yeah. Check this thing out. This is amazing. I'm outside flying this guys now too, mind you. I'd say about 3 or 4 mile an hour wind. If I can feel it on my arm. But yeah, check this out. I can't stop laughing because of the price. If you watched my other one when I showed you this, and I haven't even done all the stuff. This is just sticking this thing right now. I haven't even looked at all the other stuff it can do. Hey, that's one battery too. Imagine that. I guess we'll be able to trim it. Oh, that's not the trim I want. That's left, huh? So let's see if it's this one. Nope. Nope. Anyway, I'll mess with the directions later. But yeah, I mean, I'm sticking it. I mean, I could probably trim this thing out real nice and sweet so it don't move, but I fly, so we used to fly quads that didn't have all this, trim that. You put it on your computer and you take it out and hope for the best. Oh, but look at this thing for 35 bucks. Oh, I can't wait to show my son this. He's gonna die. Look at this thing. I'm messing with this thing and it can do all kinds of tricks. It's supposed to be able to do flips too. I don't know if I can do it. Oh, yeah, I did it all right, but let's get out there and do it. Don't do it by me. Yep, that's a flip. No big deal. How about if I bring it down low? Try it like that. Yeah. Well, yeah, pretty wild. Oh, and it comes with an app for your phone because it has a camera on it. I don't know how good the app is, but you can see that this is a great little drone from Home Depot. I'm still cracking up. Me and my wife are laughing. I said, should I try this? I think it was a great little buy. I'll end up flying this. Absolutely. I haven't even got into the other speeds because I'm laughing so hard. Anyway, have a good time, guys. I'm going to put this down. I'm going to crack it up because I'm too much laughing. Have a good night.